The world wants you weak, distracted, and easily controlled. Every notification, every endless scroll, every pixel designed to hijack your attention is a modern trap. You are spending your life building someone else's empire while your own mind decays. But there is a dangerous counter-movement, a quiet rebellion used by the world's highest performers, modern philosophers, and elite minds. It is not a temporary habit. It is an absolute isolation. They call it monk mode. Monk mode is a commitment to disappear. To pull the plug on the fake world, eliminate the noise, and look directly into the void of your own potential. For the next 3 months, you do not exist to the crowd. You exist only for your mission. In this video, we are breaking down the exact psychological and biological framework of turning off the world for 90 days. If you are weak, turn this off right now. But if you are ready to rebuild your life from the ashes of your distractions, welcome to the monastery of the mind. Welcome to Unplugged Mind. To enter monk mode is to sign a contract with your future self. It requires 3 non-negotiable rules. If you break even one, the cycle resets. Rule number 1, absolute digital isolation. You must brutally filter your inputs. Delete the apps that consume your time without adding value. Turn off notifications. Your phone is no longer a source of cheap entertainment. It is a tool for high-leverage production. Rule number 2, physical and mental discipline. This is where the biology changes. 90 days of clean nutrition, daily movement, and intentional focus. When you eliminate toxic dopamine, your brain begins to upregulate its receptors. What used to feel boring, like deep work and reading, becomes your new source of power. Rule number 3, the daily mission. Every morning, you define one critical task that moves your needle. No multitasking, no distractions. You lock yourself in a room until that mission is complete. You do not chase success, you build the capacity to sustain it. What happens inside your brain when you systematically turn off the noise? The answer lies in neuroplasticity. Modern neuroscientists confirm that constant hyperstimulation shrinks your prefrontal cortex, the exact region responsible for willpower, long-term planning, and emotional control. When you enter monk mode, you initiate a process called dopamine upregulation. In the first 7 days, you will feel boredom and intense resistance. This is your brain screaming for its next digital hit. Do not fight it. Observe it. By day 21, the baseline shifts. Your brain stops expecting instant rewards. The neural pathways associated with deep, uninterrupted focus begin to strengthen. Your working memory expands. The brain fog that has clouded your judgment for years completely evaporates, replaced by a cold, razor-sharp cognitive clarity. You are no longer reacting to the world, you are executing with precision. The next 3 months will pass regardless of what you do. You can spend them the same way you spent the last 3, distracted, consumed, and wondering why nothing changes. Or you could make a radical choice. You can draw a line in the sand today. Turn off the notifications, say no to the shallow entertainment, step into the dark, embrace the quiet, and let monk mode forge you into something unbreakable. The choice is not about who you want to become, it is about who you are willing to leave behind. If you are ready to unplug from the system and reclaim your mind, leave a comment below with the date you begin your lock-in. Subscribe to join our circle of focus. Your quiet rebellion starts now. Disconnect to reconnect. This is Unplugged Mind.